Yeah. Once again, very important question. A little bit different. This is, see, the question is what? This is also a proof. We have to prove a given question. Example sixth. Little bit different this question. If pith, comma, qth and arth terms of GP, terms of GP, terms of GP, if first term, second term, third term, we know like that if given, but here given instead of numbers, pth term, qth term, rth term, three terms given. What are the three terms? GP, they are in GP, those are small a, comma, small b, comma, small c. What is the pth term? A. Qth term B, rth term C. Then what you have to prove respectively? Then prove that what we have to prove? A power Q minus 1, sorry, Q minus R into B power R minus P into C power P minus Q is equal to 1. We have to prove this one. Okay. So listen carefully, not hard, but different question. Instead of numbers given in terms of alphabets, pth term is A, qth term is B, rth term is C. So this we have to prove. I am writing proof here because of less place. A power Q minus R into B power R minus P into C power P minus Q is equal to 1. We have to prove. Now we get more space. Okay. Yeah, here first write given terms. Given pth term is A. And before that I am writing general term. That is only we required first. General term Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. What is given? Given data. Now I am writing pth term. What is pth term? A is A, where n is equal to P here. N is equal to P. Therefore, just write P in place of n. Tp is equal to A. So here already we have in question small a, in formula small a. So there you will get some confusion. Why? Because this is a, that is also a. And here in question R, small r is there, rth term. In formula small r is there. So that's why I'm changing these two values. Just I'm writing in different form. That what? Instead of small letters, I'm taking capital letters. Okay. This is I'm writing A capital R power n minus 1. This is the formula now. Our formula is what now? This is our formula. Okay, na? Now, by using this formula, we will solve. And the given question is same. I'm not changing the question. I'm changing the formula in terms of small letters. I'm writing in terms of capital. For every question, you have to use this formula only. Don't change for every question. For this question, I am changing because of given same terms which are in we have formula in question. So when we are solving, we will get confusion. That's why I'm changing small a as capital A, small r as capital R. The ratio is capital R now, and the first term is capital A now. Now, pth term is given A. So n is equal to pth term, n is equal to p, sixth term, n is equal to 6, seventh term, n is equal to 6. We wrote already, na? So Tp is equal to, n means p, is equal to A R power n p minus 1 is given what? A. This is only very important step. What is given data we are writing, that is very important. Given pth term is a. If given sixth term is 120, then we can write what? T6 is equal to a r power 6 minus 1 is equal to 120 we will write. Why? Because this is sixth term. T sixth, I mean sixth term is given 120. Sixth term is given 120. Like this we will write. So here given instead of sixth term, pth term. So Tp is equal to a r power in place of n, p we have to write. That sixth term, that pth term is given what? A. Tp is given a. We wrote here pth term is a. So Tp is equal to a r power p minus 1 is equal to a. Next, what is after that? Qth term. Qth term is what given? B. So here n is equal to q. Here n is equal to q. Then by applying this formula, TQ is equal to a r power q minus 1 is given what? B. Is given what? B. Here also write bracket up to here only. This only we require that formula. That equation number 1, equation number 2, and also the last is given. Rth term is given C. That is rth term is C, where n is equal to R. N is equal to R. Why? Because rth term. So TR is equal to a capital R power small r minus 1. If you write here also small r, by the formula you will get compulsory confusion. Small r power small r. Okay. So here this is given C. This is small rth term. First term, second term, third term, like that we can take a term, b term, fifth term, qth term, rth term, zth term, whatever it is. Here this is pth term, qth term, rth term. Now we have small a value, small b value, small c value. Now we have to prove this equal to 1. Now I am taking LHS. Listen carefully. This from here onwards it is very, I mean different. You have to listen. What is LHS? A power q minus 1 into, sorry, q minus r into b power r minus p into c power p minus q. This is LHS. We have to prove by solving equal to 1. So this is equal to a. What is the value of a? This is a. So a r power p minus 1. This is a, but already whole power is what? Whole power q minus r. Q minus r. Understand what I am doing here? A power q minus r given in question. But we have this a value is what? This total is a value. I am writing in place of a this one, and the power as it is I am writing. I am not changing the power. I have no right to change the power as it is. Into b. What is b value? This is the b value. A r power q minus 1. This is b. Power r minus p again there. R minus p. See, in place of b, I'm writing the b value. And what is the power for b? I'm writing as it is that power. Okay, understand? Suppose a equal to 5 and a power 7 is there. A value is what? 5. So we will write 5. And the power is same as it is. Power we will not change. Same like that only. Here, a value is what? This one, total one we have in place of a. A power is what? Q minus r into b. What is b? This value is b. Power is what? R minus p. And also the last one is what? C. What is c? Into a r power r minus 1. This is c. And what is the power of c? P minus r. Sorry, p minus q. P minus q. Just what I did here, I substituted a, b, c values. I didn't do anything. Now I will do simplification. Is equal to, I told you just now, a, b whole power 3 undanuko. If you are like this, a, b whole power 3, this 3 is the power of a and power of b. So we can write a power 3 into b power 3. We can write like this. Okay. One more, a, b power c whole power d. If you are like this d is power of a and power of b power c. So first apply d for this, that is a power d into, and apply d for b power c, that is b power c whole power d. Like this we have to apply power all terms. See, this q minus r is the power of a and power of r power p minus 1. This r minus p is the power of a and power of r power q minus 1. This p minus q is power of a and r power r minus 1. So we have to apply that powers for two terms which are in bracket. That only what I am doing here. Listen carefully. That means you have to write a power this, a power q minus r. Next, r power p minus 1 whole power q minus r, whole power q minus r. For this also you have to write bracket. Two terms we have now, that's why you have to write bracket. This one finished. Next, second one into a power r minus p, a power r minus p into r power q minus 1 whole power r minus p. We are applying r minus p power for a and r power r minus 1, so q minus 1 into, and for a we have to apply p minus q, a power q minus p, sorry, p minus q into r power r minus 1 whole power r minus 1 whole power p minus q. So in this step, what are the values of a, b, c I wrote. In this step I applied the powers for each term which are in bracket. Now this is equal to, this is a, this is a, this is a. I'm writing all a terms here. That is a power q minus r into a power r minus p into a power p minus q. Finish. A terms finish. Into, now this one and this one and this one I will write here. I'm writing this one r power, see here, r power something and whole power something. We have formula a power m whole power n is what? A power m into n. We have to multiply both powers. Here also we have to multiply this and this. That is r power p minus 1 into q minus r. Q minus r. Okay. Into, and this one r power q minus 1 into r minus p. R minus p into, and this one r power r minus 1 into p minus q. Just I simplified from this step to this step. Now if you observe a, these three are called base and these three are called powers. So if you observe, bases are same. Again one more formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. If you have bases same, you can add powers. You can add powers. If you have three bases same, you can add three powers same. Three powers you can add. If you have four bases same, you can add four powers. If you have 10 bases same, you can add 10 powers. How many terms you have bases are same? For all terms, you can add powers. How many powers you have? You can add. So here we have three terms which are bases are same. That's why I'm adding the powers. This plus this plus this. That is what? Q minus R plus r minus p plus p minus q into, this is power, this is base, this is totally power. On the head of a you have, and here r again bases same. That is r power. Powers we have to add. That is what? P minus 1 into q minus r plus, this is one power plus one more power, q minus 1 into r minus p plus, this is one more power, r minus 1 into p minus q. So here bases same powers addition. Bases same powers addition. If you observe for a power, plus q minus q cancel. Minus r plus r cancel. Minus p plus p cancel. But here we can't cancel directly. We have to multiply first. Then we can cancel. So here all terms are get cancelled. And the remaining is what here? A power 0 into r power. Also you will get 0. R power also you will get 0, but I will do calculation. See how multiplication. These two terms we have to multiply with these two terms. First with P. P into Q. PQ. P into minus R. Minus PR. Next. Minus 1 into Q. Minus Q. Minus into minus plus 1 into R. Plus R. Listen carefully. When I am multiplying, you should listen, or you can write directly 0. But why I am giving to get clarification, you can write directly 0. We will get 0. So this one finish. Plus Q into R. QR. Q into minus P. Minus QP or PQ. Next, with Q, you have to multiply these two. With minus 1, you have to multiply these two. Same here also. With P, we should multiply with these two. With minus 1, we have to multiply with these two. So 2 to the 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 2 to the 4 terms. Again 2 to the 4 terms you will get. Q into R, QR, okay. Q into minus P, minus QP, okay. Minus 1 into R, minus R. Minus into minus plus 1 into P. P. This also completed. Now I am doing this one. Plus R into P, RP, and R into minus Q, minus RQ or QR, minus 1 into P, minus P, minus into minus, plus 1 into Q, Q. So these all are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 terms you will get. Why? Because 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4, 3 is 12. Now check, is there any term will get cancelled? Plus PQ minus PQ cancel, minus PR plus PR cancel, plus QR minus QR cancel, minus Q plus Q cancel, plus R minus R cancel, plus P minus P cancel. I told you now all will cancel, same 0 you will get. But I gave the proof that is A power 0 into R power 0. But I told you that always something power 0, x power 0 is equal to y power 0 is equal to something power whatever is power 0. If you have the value is what? 1, I told you yesterday. So here A power 0 value is 1 into R power 0 value is 1. 1 into 1 is what? 1. That is nothing but what? RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. That only na RHS we have to show 1. So this is a solution for this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will give you explanation. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Lucky.
No.
Yes. Okay. Next. I will give you some questions homework you have to copy. Fast, copy fast. Show that the progression. Show that the progression. Second question in exercise. Show that the progression. 625. Did I give this? 125. 25. 5. 1. 1 by 5 is a GP. Show that this is a GP and find first term common ratio, nth term, 10th term, 10th term. Third question, show that the progression minus 27, 9, minus 3, 1, minus 1 by 3 is a GP. Find first term same, second also same, third also same, but the fourth one is what? Ninth term. Ninth term. Okay. If you'll not get, ask me tomorrow in tomorrow class. Sixth question, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, fourth, fifth I will give you. Sixth question, show that the series 0.4, 0.8, 1.6, so on is GP, and find same first term, common ratio, nth term. You write neatly, don't write like this. And the fourth one is seventh term. Fourth one is seventh term. These are the homework for you, and I will give you between these two, three, four, five. I will give you now four. I think it only will complete. Why? Because we have only more 7 minutes. That's the fourth question I am writing. You copy first them. 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 comma 4 root 2 comma so on. Show that this is a GP. Completed questions copying.
Yes, sir.
Find first term, common ratio, nth term, and the last one, fourth one is, the fourth one is what we have to find? 11th term. 11th term. Yeah, I'm erasing these questions. Yes, listen question, solution. Here the question is what? The series is you have in terms of irrational. Okay, with the square root we have 2, 2 root 2, 4, 4 root 2, so on is a GP. We have to show this is a GP. And also find first term, comma ratio, nth term, 11th term. So very easy to prove. And before that, I want to tell you one or two formulas. That is what? A is, we can write root A into root A. I'm writing here. A we can write as root A into root A. Means if you have 2, you can write root 2 into root 2. Example this is. Okay. One more. If you have A square, we can write A into A. Again, 1A we can write again root A into root A. Into one more A is always there. This A also you can write root A into root A. For example, if I take 4, 4 is nothing but what? 2 square. That is 2 into 2. This 2 into 2 we can write. I'm writing this 2 now. Root 2 into root 2. And this 2 always like that only. If you want write the 2 also, first root 2 into root 2 for this 2. And for this 2 again root 2 into root 2. Okay. If you solve this, you will get 4 again. Okay. Suppose root A into root A is what I told you. A is equal to root A into root A. Root A into root A means 2 times we have. Suppose A into A we can write A square, right? Root A into root A we can write root A whole square. And always this square and square root will get cancelled. That already we know. If you don't know, just remember this. Okay. So these very useful for us for this question. And given series is what? 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 comma 4 root 2, so on is given. This 2 root 2 is one term only. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. First of all, we have to check this is GP or not. For that, I told you what? This divided by this divided by this divided by this we have to do. Now, this is T1, T2, T3, T4, so on. To check that, we have to write what? T2 by T1. Now 2 root 2 by 2 is equal to what? 2 cancel root 2. Okay. Next, this by this we will see. 4 by 2 root 2. Also, you should get root 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja cancel. That is 2 by root 2. But we should get root 2, na? That is 2 by root 2. But we can write this 2 as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 cancel again what? Root 2. So here root 2. Here also root 2. Like this, if you solve this by this also, you will get root 2. Therefore, the series is, the progression is GP. Now we have to find what? First term. First bit. First term. What is the first term? 2. A is equal to 2. And second bit, what we have to find? Common ratio. Common ratio. What is common ratio? Root 2, root 2, root 2. That is root 2. That is small r is equal to root 2. And again we have to find what? Nth term. Nth term. What is the formula? Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. But what is a? Root 2. What is r? Root 2. Right here. Tn is equal to a is 2 into r is root 2. But r power what? N minus 1. Whole power n minus 1. Whole power n minus 1. So, you know already square root 2 means what? 2 power 1 by 2. This value is power 1 by 2. Okay, square root means power 1 by 2. We know already. Now we will apply for the last bit. What is the last bit is asking? First bit finish, second bit finish, third bit finish. And the last bit is what? 11th term, fourth bit, 11th term. 11th term means n is equal to, we have to take what? 11 in this formula, in this nth term formula. So T11 is equal to A 2 into R root 2. We have already root 2 power n minus 1. N is 11, 11 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 into, actually here finish complete. Here 2 into root 2 power 10. 11 minus 1 is what? 10. The solution is completed. More 2 steps I will write. Simplification I will write. That is what? 2 into this root 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. I told you. Root 2 is equal to 2 power 1 by 2. Why? Because root a is equal to a power 1 by 2. That implies root 2 is equal to 2 power 1 by 2. So here this is root 2, na? That is 2 power 1 by 2. But whole power is what? 10. This 10 is numerator, 2 is denominator. One more step I am writing 2 into 2 power 1 into 10. 10 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, cancel. Now remaining 2 power 5 is there. That I am writing here, see.